In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add HTML code to Canva website. We'll walk through the exact steps to bring outside content into your Canva website using Canva's Embed app. This method uses a shareable link from the third-party platform, which is the most reliable way to display external content inside Canva. Start by opening your Canva website design. Head to the specific page where you want the content to appear so you can place it in context with your layout. On the left-hand toolbar, look for Apps. If you don't see it immediately, select More to reveal additional options, then choose Apps. In the search bar, type Embed and select the Embed app. This tool lets you pull live content into your page via a web link. It's helpful to know that Canva generally doesn't run full custom HTML. Instead, it displays content that's hosted elsewhere and shared through a compatible URL. So before hopping back to Canva, go to the third-party platform you are embedding. This could be Google Forms, YouTube, Typeform, or a service like Elfsight and copy its shareable link. Make sure the content is published and set to be publicly viewable or accessible to anyone with the link. For videos, use the platform's official share link. For forms or widgets, confirm they're live and not restricted. Return to Canva and paste that URL into the Embed web link field in the Embed app. Canva will generate a preview so you can confirm the content loads correctly. If everything looks good, click Add to Design. The embedded element will drop onto your page like any other design object. From here, you can reposition and resize it. Use the corner handles to keep proportions clean, and align it with your layout so it fits naturally with your headings, text, and images. Consider how it will look on different devices. Leaving a little breathing room around the embed can help it adapt better to smaller screens. If the content seems cropped or scrollable, adjust the frame size to give it enough space. If the preview doesn't load, double-check the link's privacy settings. Make sure it uses HTTPS, and verify that the platform supports embedding. Some interactive content only fully functions on the published site. So use Canva's preview to test the experience. Then publish and view it live to confirm. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.